Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaushika. So in this video, I'm going to teach you a morning yoga routine. So when I say morning, it doesn't mean you cannot do this in the evening. Of course you can. But if you ask me, I would say this is a great way to start your day. This will make you feel grounded, energized, and stretches out your whole body and takes away all your stiffness in the morning. And yeah, this is a great way to start your day. So before getting into the video, you can consider subscribing my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will give the link below in the description box. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's start this flow in bridge pose. Bring your legs closer to your body and slowly rise your hip up. Your hands grounded on your side, and you can also have an option to interlace your fingers behind your back like I'm doing right now. This is an option. You can also keep your hands on your side and slowly bring your hips down. We are going to do the same for 2 more times. Rise your hip up. You can also interlace your hands behind. Don't turn your head. And slowly bring your hip down. One more time. Rise your hip up. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. And slowly bring your hips down. Now come to tabletop position. Your hands right down from your shoulders and your knees right down from your hip. Now inhale and lift your right leg up and put your chest little bit down. And exhale, take your knee to your nose. Do the same for 5 times. It's absolutely fine if you don't touch your nose with your knee. After completing the 5 rounds, put your foot like this onto your side. Your hands in the same position. Now inhale, lift your left hand up and exhale, bring it under your right shoulders. Put your head down to the ground. Now lift your right hand up to the sky and stay here for few seconds. Now come back lifter. Keep your legs as it is and rise your left hand up and bend onto your right side. This is a great side body stretch. Come back and put your left hand to the ground and your right hand up closer to your ears. Turn your gaze up. Stay here for 10 seconds. And look down, stabilize yourself and slowly bring your right leg up like this. That's okay if you fall, come back again. And slowly bring your leg back to the ground and rise up to center. Now interlace your fingers behind your head, bend onto your right side and come back to center. Do the same for 5 times. Now after completing the 5 rounds, bring your knees closer to each other. Interlace your hands behind, roll your shoulders back. Inhale and bend backward. Push your hip forward and look up. Do as much as you can, don't force yourself. And slowly come back to center. Release. Now we are going to do the same on the other side. Inhale and lift your left leg up, put your chest down and exhale, take it back to your nose. Do the same for 5 times. After completing the 5 rounds, put your feet onto your side. Inhale and take your right hand up, and exhale, take it under your left shoulders and put your head down and lift your left hand up to the sky and stay here for 10 seconds. Come back and lift your body up. Don't change your leg position. I'm just turning to show you clearly. Now raise your right hand up and bend onto your left side and look up. Now come back and put your right hand to the ground and lift your left hand up and look up. Now look down and slowly lift your left leg up onto your side. Yes, hold on. And take it back to the ground. Now interlace your fingers behind your head and bend onto your left side and come back to center. Do the same for 5 times. After completing the 5 rounds, put your knees closer to each other. Interlace your hands behind. Put your chest forward. Roll your shoulders backward and slightly bend backward. Don't forget to push your hip forward. Hold on, stay, and come back to center. Now take a child's pose for few seconds. Now tuck your toe and lift your knee to downward facing dog. Stay here for few seconds. Try to press your chest closer to your thighs. And bring your right leg between your hands, your palms. Bring your body up and take your hands over your head in the prayer position. Stay here for few seconds. Now take your hands to your heart center and twist your left elbow to your right knee. Come back to the position if you loses your balance. Now slowly bring your left leg forward parallel to your right leg and stay here for few seconds. Now come back to downward facing dog. We are going to do the same on the other side. Now bring your left leg forward between your hands. Lift your body up, your hands over your head in the prayer position. Take it to your heart center in the prayer position and then slowly twist your right elbow to your left knee. Stay here for 10 seconds. Now slowly bring your right leg forward parallel to your left leg. Stay here for 10 seconds. Stay in the twist. And come back to downward facing dog. Now put your right leg little bit closer to your right hand like this and turn onto your right side and put your left hip down to the ground like I'm doing. Now raise your hip up through your left hand, your right hand closer to your ears and come back down. Do the same for 5 times. This is really a strong transition. Now slowly come back to downward facing dog. Now we are going to do the same on the other side. Put your left leg closer to your left hand like this in the midway. Put your hips down and do the transition for 5 times. Now slowly come back to downward facing dog. Very good. We are almost done. Now slowly try to put your elbows down to the ground. If you couldn't put your elbows down on the same time, you can also put it down one by one like I'm doing right now. Yes. So this is called as a dolphin pose. It is absolutely fine if your heel is lifted. Even my heel is lifted a little bit. That's okay. This is a strong posture. Come on, you can do this. Now lift your elbows back to downward facing dog. Now slowly walk forward to forward bend position. Now hold your big toe, inhale and lift your chest and look forward. Exhale, take your chest and your head closer to your leg. You can also keep your knees bent. Now bend your knee and slowly rise up and sit down. And hold your big toes like I'm doing. Now slowly lift your legs up from the ground. Come on, stabilize yourself. Now slowly lift your right leg to your side like this. Stable. Hold here for 10 seconds. Now take it back to center. Now do the same on the other side, in the left side. Almost there, yeah. Come back to center. So here comes the interesting part. We are going to lift both the legs onto a side. Come on, balance. Come back to center. Now lie onto your back. Spread your hands to your side and we are going to twist onto your right side first. Turn your gaze onto your left side. Stay here for a few seconds. Come back to center and twist on the other side. Turn your gaze to your right side. Hold here for 10 seconds. Come back to center. So next is the reclined butterfly pose. Your soles of your feet touching each other. Put your one hand to the stomach and one hand to your chest. Listen to your breath. Stay here for few seconds. Now spread your hands and legs to Shanti Asana, which is Shavasana. Relax. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more yoga flows. Thank you.